Good day, good people. Welcome to Good Food Good Loot. Today is gonna be another cooking video, and the dish is minced pork with potatoes. First off, we're gonna skin all the potatoes, and I love potatoes steamed, fried, French fries. The process of removing the skin from a potato is called peeling. And potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which make them very healthy. Cutting the potatoes into cubes. Cooked potatoes with the skin are a good source of many vitamins and minerals such as potassium and vitamin C. Aside from being high in water when fresh, potatoes are primarily composed of carbs and contain moderate amounts of protein and fiber, but almost no fat. Carbs are the main dietary component of potatoes. Cooling potatoes after boiling may increase the amount of resistant starch, which can improve gut health. Potatoes also contain small amounts of high-quality protein. I want to eat some potato chips. Potatoes are relatively filling. For this reason, they may be useful as part of a weight management plan. Now we fry the pork lard. I talked about pork lard a lot in one of the videos. Anyway, we have to fry the pork lard until it turns golden brown like so. Next, we fry garlic and chili. This isn't for the potato dish, it's actually one of the vegetable dishes, which is ladyfingers, also known as okra. Ladyfinger is rich in nutrients. It is considered a good source of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, enzymes, calcium, potassium, and many other nutrients. Did you know ladyfinger is a good source of vitamin C, which is important for immune function and collagen production. The fiber in ladyfinger can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, aiding in weight management. Ladyfinger contains vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Consuming ladyfinger may help improve gut health by promoting the growth of many beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Ladyfinger contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic diseases. There is a possibility of being allergic to ladyfingers, so please be careful. And the side dish is done. Word of precaution. Wet, the potato is wet. When the potato is wet, the oil starts to splatter a lot, so it's very dangerous. Wet solids should not come into contact with oil. We are gonna fry the potatoes until they turn brown. As you can see, the color of the potatoes have changed slightly and they are getting a bit more mushy. When I was looking at this, I was tempted to take some potatoes and like slice them into French fries sizes and then add some salt and pepper, or even bake them in the oven to become potato chips. And now I'm craving for some rosti. Rosti is a Swiss dish consisting mainly of potatoes, sauteed or shallow fried in a pan. They are somewhat like hash browns. French fries, potato chips, rostis, hash browns, all are very yummy. Next, we are frying some brains. I mean minced meat. ASMR. Then we add garlic and chili. Current research shows that garlic may have some real health benefits such as protection against the common cold and the ability to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Then we add some dark soy sauce according to gut feel. Dark soy sauce is a key ingredient in Asian cuisine known for its thicker consistency, darker color, and sweeter taste compared to regular soy sauce. It's often used to add color and flavor to dishes. And then we add some Shaoxing wine. It is made from rice and is one of the most popular types of Chinese rice wines for cooking. Adding oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is commonly part of a stir-fry sauce but can also be used as an ingredient in a marinade, an Asian barbecue sauce, or as a glazing sauce. Now we add some Thai fish sauce. Thai fish sauce is one of the basic ingredients in Thai cooking along with much of Asian cuisine. It has a rich, translucent, reddish golden brown color and is added liberally to nearly all Thai dishes. It is often used as a marinade for fish and meat, as well as a condiment, usually mixed with fresh chilies and lime juice. So we continue frying to make the potatoes softer, and feel free to do a taste test. Cornstarch with water. Adding cornstarch. And cornstarch is a common food ingredient used to thicken sauces or soups and to make corn syrup and other sugars. It is often used as a thickening agent in various recipes due to its ability to absorb and hold onto liquids. This is actually a dry dish. Another dish that I like is also chicken stew with potatoes. And that one comes with gravy, unlike this dish that has no gravy. We add more dark soy sauce after doing a taste test. Introducing our rice cooker. Rice is a cereal grain and in its domesticated form is the staple food for over half of the world's human population, particularly in Asia and Africa, due to the vast amount of soil that is able to grow rice. My mom said earlier that this dish looks like it's fit for a pig. And we are the pigs who are gonna eat this. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have good meals. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye! Click one of the videos for more content.